Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here in Dieppe, France, and I'm here for a week, and I wanted to do my initial walkthrough of the city. So let's go do it together, and you can at least see what the city streets look like from my Airbnb to downtown, or do they call it a downtown here? I don't know if that's even possible, but anyway, I'm going to go down, and I think there's a church and a market and a square and a castle, and anyway, let's just go walking. All right, everybody, so this is like right out in front of my Airbnb, and so these are the houses that are here in Dieppe. And it's interesting on the name, so it's Dieppe. I always want to go Dieppe or Dieppe or Dgieppe or something, but it's Dieppe. They just don't pronounce that last E, so it's Dieppe, Dieppe. And so anyway, now that we've got that out of the way, I'm sure I will butcher it 1,000 times from now until I leave with all my videos. So it's a gorgeous day. Can you see that sky? Not a cloud in the sky. And it's 44 degrees and it feels like 26. So it's certainly brisk, and I got my coats on, or a coat on. So but a lot of the houses are all stone, and they're amazing and pretty. And another nice thing is the streets are really clean. I mean, look at the street. You know, I think I've seen some doggy stuff, but you know, I think that's to be expected anywhere we go. But I don't see a lot of graffiti yet. Doesn't mean there isn't some here, but for the most part, it's pretty amazing. So, so this is it. This is the city of Dieppe. Also, it has a market here too, and I'm sure I'm going to mention this again once I get to the market and film it. It was voted the best market in France or Normandy or surrounding area or whatever in 2020, I guess. So I think it's a pretty nice little market. Gorgeous. And there's lots of seagulls because we're pretty close to the ocean. And so there's another car coming. So you can hear the seagulls screaming in the background. And I bet during the summertime this place gets really green and is even more pretty than it is now. Is more pretty the correct terminology? Anyway, how about prettier? How about muy bueno pretty? Anyway, yeah, it's pretty nice. Look at that little entrance there. I bet when that gets green, I bet that's pretty amazing. Very cool. And again, I'm just showing you the initial walkings from my house. And this is, I think, one of those wood-sided buildings. It's not brick up on top. It's the wood ones, maybe? I don't know. Unless I can get up there and knock on it, I don't know for sure. But it looks pretty wood. The bottom part looks pretty brick, but interesting. Hear the seagulls? I brought my drone with me, so I'm hoping that the seagulls don't mind a little drone action in their neighborhood. I know when I was in Recife, the bird took out my drone and it landed in a tree, and I never got it back. And that one's a wooden building too, the kind, you know, I think that's old style of Germany, or I don't even know. I just know it's unique and different for sure. So, wow. That's an interesting paint job with the little red planter boxes and the white and blue fence and the white and blue shutters. Pretty. And here's another street down that way. But I think I'm going to go this way to the main square. Cool. And did I mention it was cold? Because it is a little brisk. And there's a big church here too, a couple of them. There's even a Notre Dame here too, over on the other side of the harbor. And the ocean, you can see it right between those two buildings, way out that way. So it's pretty close to the sea. And that's the Gulf of America. No, I'm just kidding. It's not the Gulf of America. It could be the, I don't know what it's just a sea between Britain, the UK, and France, right? Pretty. And they got parking lots and stuff, and statues, and a Midas. If we need a muffler, we can get a muffler. I'm sure you're thinking right about now, Eric needs a muffler. Pretty, huh? Wow. Which way do we go? Let's go this way. It looks like that church is over there. You can see kind of the steeple on it, I think. That's my guess. But the buildings are nice. And they have glass things, so you can put your glass in there, and that's nice. They recycle. And I think everybody's headed to the market. It opens at 8 o'clock, and it's right now 8:23 in the morning. Yeah, 8:23 in the morning. And let's see. Where's he going? I guess he's going that way. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, he's adjusting. And there's signs, and I can't read all the signs. I don't know if you guys can, but it's certainly not in my language book. Let's go this way, and we'll see if we can hit another street and go left more. And across. Pretty. Look at the grounds there. That's amazing. Wow. And this is Normandy too, by the way. And I think it's a district, not the town Normandy or the city Normandy. I don't know. I just saw it on that building over there. It said Normandy. Cool. That's a cute little park. I think this is all pretty much residential. I guess all the buildings are on the bottom, or the shops are on the bottom, and the people sleep up on the tops. Parking. We don't want parking. Let's see what's up ahead of us, because we want to go left one more. Bonjour. Did I say that right? You didn't respond. And there's a pharmacy. And that looks like De La Poste, so post office too. Oh, I think I see the market. Can you see the green tents down there? And that looks like the market, so cool. Well, I'll get to the market and I will stop filming. I just wanted to take you for my very initial walk through the city so that you see what I see my very first time walking around. I did walk to the grocery store yesterday, but it was right around the corner, so that doesn't count. Cool. Square habitat. Oh, I think you can smell some of the... Are they cooking? I'm ready for breakfast too. I didn't eat anything yet, so... Very cool. Look at the painting on the side of the building. That's kind of neat. Very cool. And that looks like the market. And I don't know what that thing is there. Café de Tribunal? I don't know. Anyway, let me turn this corner and I'll show you a little bit of the market and we will be done. Oh, they got fish. Oh boy. Okay. Wow. All right, everybody. Thanks for coming with me on my walk. I'll be back. Bye, everybody. If I can turn off.